All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Chris's Sports Corner. Real quick, man. Hope everybody's having a great. Wait for it. Friday. Yeah. Okay. It's Friday, guys. Y'all know what it is. Real quick, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button if you like the content, man. And thanks so much for your support. I will continue to drop these videos. I will continue to do what I do. And I only want to get better for the future, but I can't do it without you. So thank you. As y'all can tell, man, it's late, man. I'm busy. A lot going on. But let's talk about it, man. The Toronto Raptors versus the Dallas Mavericks. All right. The Dallas Mavericks obviously is a playoff team. The Toronto Raptors are not. I'll tell you one thing though, from effort, wherewithal, you couldn't really tell the Toronto Raptors is not a playoff team by the way they came out tonight and they fought their heart out to do their best to get a win. And the Dallas Mavericks, it's not like they wasn't playing their A team. They were playing Porzingis, they were playing Doncic, Finney Smith, all the way power. So when you look at this game overall, if you're a Raptor fan, you look at this game and you go, I love the effort. You know, at this point, there's no reason for certain players to just go all out, right? And, you know, to most people. Me, I'm a little different. But when you look at a guy like Jalen Harris, 31 points, 12 of 21, 5 of 12 from the three-point line, 2 of 3 from the free throw line, 4 assists, 1 steal, 31 points. For a young guy like that, man, you know, these, like I said before, man, these opportunities are crucial. You make a name for yourself. You come out and say, hey, y'all gonna, when you look back on this tape, you gonna see me. You gonna remember me. And I applaud him. And you know, I haven't been talking about Jalen Harris much on my channel here. But you know, people are putting him on my radar like, hey man, this young guy is good, man. You don't forget about him. And they're right, man. Jalen Harris tonight shows he's about something. He's making a case that I need to be here for the future. He was followed up by Malachi Flynn. Now we all know how I feel about this young man. We all know that this young man is one of my favorite rookies, just because I think that when he's in his element, when he's playing free and loose, you know, he's a damn good rookie. And tonight he was 11 of 21, 3 of 8 from the three-point line, 1 of 2 from the free throw line, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, 26 points. So when you look at it from that perspective, you say, hey, there's another rookie who's showing that he got it, right? He's one of those rookies that are showing, hey, man, again, I'm gonna be here, and you guys need to recognize that I'm here, and I'm gonna play out regardless of what the scoreboard is, regardless of what our record is. I'm here to ball, and I'm gonna show you that. Kurtz tonight had 13 points, 5 of 12, 1 of 6 from 3, 2 of 2 from the free throw line, 6 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 blocks. Did I say Kurtz or Birch? I meant Birch. You know, he's been a breath of fresh air at the center position. It's no there's no bones about it that they definitely been lacking at the center position, especially early in the year. It seems like they worked it out now, and I like it. And I think the future definitely bright at that position now. You know, especially with the signing of Gillespie, who was another big. Johnson, he had that great game last night. Tonight he was a little cool. He cooled off a little bit, but he filled up the stat sheet. And I always say, man, when you're a player and you're owning, you're hot and all of that good stuff, right? But when you're not on, can you do other things, right? Johnson tonight with 5 of 16, 2 of 6 from the three-point line, 3 of 3 from the free throw line, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. He did other things. So not only did he score, but he helped on the boards. You need that. He was actually your leading rebounder tonight, and he's not even a center. So that, to me, rebounds in a lot of cases are hustle stats, especially for non-centers or bigs. They're hustle stats. And this young man came out, got him a double-double tonight quietly with 15 and 10. That's what you want on a nightly basis. You want that type of effort. You had Gillespie. I want to see him a little bit more active, but far as field goal attempts, he was 1 of 2. Gave you 4 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal, 1 block. Again, he played in other ways. He did other things. So congratulations to him. He just got that contract. So Rockets the Raptors are in evaluation mode. So they're definitely evaluating these players. The Dallas Mavericks, man, they're looking to make some noise in these playoffs as the playoffs time approach. And they fighting to stay out of the play-in just like some other teams. But they were led tonight by Porzingis, who, honestly, Porzingis, he's that X factors for them. If he can just stay healthy, man, this team is going to be hard to beat. But it's just every time you look around, this guy's hurt for something. You just want to see what he could do if he's not injured. Tonight he gave you 21, 9 of 19, 3 of 5 from the three-point line, 10 rebounds, 2 assists. He's one of those guys that, he'll walk in double machine. And that's who he is. Luka Doncic tonight. Not the most efficient night. He did give you 20 and 11 assists, 10 rebounds. So he gave you a trip dub. As Shannon Sharp would say, mid-trip dub. He gave you a triple-double tonight, so congratulations to Luka Doncic. He's a walking triple-double. We all know what he is. He's a beast. He's a beast. He just got to, everyone just want to see him take it to that next level and put the team in a position to win a championship. Tim Hardaway Jr., who he 1 of 11. That's not good. 4 assists, 2 steals, 7 points. With the absence of Seth Curry, I expect a little bit more from him on a nightly basis. Finney Smith, though, did his thing. 6 of 8, 4 of 6 from the 3, 1 of 2 from the free throw line, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 17 points. Who we got? Brunson came off the bench. He gave you 19. Richardson off the bench. He gave you 10. All in all, man, I think the Mavericks are, is a good win, but due to who the Raptors were playing, they're like a more dominant win in this situation. But the Raptors came out in what's actually been absent a lot this year. They came out in Raptor form and played hard an entire game. That even when it was time, you're like, okay, Dallas gonna run away with this. They were like, no. We're here. We're not going anywhere. And I think that even though these games at this point don't really mean much, they means a lot for the character, what the Raptors stand for, and to get these young guys to buy into it. If I can get my young core to buy into what we're preaching and what we're trying to establish as a culture here, then the future is bright, because I know I got people that believe in the direction I'm trying to go with the organization. That's just my thought process. With that being said, guys, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Congratulations to the Dallas Mavericks for the on the win. Congratulations to the Toronto Raptors, Jalen Harris, for putting his name on the board.